Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Speaker of Punjab Assembly, Mr. Malik Mohammad Ahmed Khan Sahab, Respected Minister for Specialized Healthcare, Mr. Khaja Salman Rafiq, Minister for Health and Population, Mr. Khaja Imran Nazir, His Excellency, Ambassador of Palestine, Mr. Zahoor Zahid, Chairman Board of Governors, Deputy Chairman, Honorable Rector, Vice Chancellors, Member BOG, respected guests, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of University of Lahore, I extend my heartfelt welcome to all of you to the graduation ceremony of our Palestinian students from Al-Azhar University, Gaza, who have successfully completed their clinical training at University of Lahore. Today is a very special day. It is more than the celebration of academic success. It is, in fact, a tribute to your resilience, faith, and unbreakable spirit. Today's event is also live streamed so that your families and friends can witness this proud moment. I am truly honored to welcome and thank all those who played an important role in making this possible. This entire journey was initiated by Doctors of Rahma, who was wholeheartedly embraced by the Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan, Honorable Mr. Ishaq Dar, facilitated by the President and Registrar of Pakistan Medical and Dental Council. Al-Khidmat Foundation, GRT, Midland Aid also joined hands to support this cause. On behalf of University of Lahore, I warmly welcome and recognize the efforts of Dr. Yusufuddin Sheikh from Doctors of Rahman, who came all the way from England for a day just to be here, to be a part of this ceremony. Welcome. Dr. A.R. Gatred, the CEO of Midland International Aid. Welcome, sir. Dr. Hafizur Rahman, President Al-Khidmat Foundation, along with Arshad Malik Sahab, Zahid Sahab, and other dignitaries of Al-Khidmat Foundation. Although the Dean of Dentistry, Dr. Al-Baba of Al-Azhar University, could not join us today. But we are truly honored to have Dr. Mohammad Zughbar, the Dean Faculty of Medicine at Al-Azhar University, Gaza, who will be administering today's oath in Arabic, just as you all wished. We are honored to have the presence of Honorable Speaker, Punjab Assembly, Mr. Malik Mohammad Ahmed Khan Sahab, who despite his heavy commitments traveled through the night just to be here to grace this occasion. Thank you, sir. We are thankful to His Excellency, Ambassador of Palestine, along with our health ministers. Thank you so much. It feels like yesterday when we were deep in planning, months and months of endless discussion, countless phone calls, meetings, moments of uncertainty, which was tackled with reassurance, all dedicated to bring you here. And now you are here celebrating your success and starting a new beginning. About a year ago, I received a phone call from a common contact asking, what can you do for the Palestinian students? The answer was simple, anything. I was then asked, would you like to be a part of the training program? Without any hesitation, the answer was, it would be our honor. The next question was, how many students can you accommodate? I turned to our chairman, and without missing a beat, he replied, at least 1,000 students. So today, 27 of you are graduating, and now we're eagerly waiting to have the remaining 973 students, and even more. Out of the first cohort of the Palestinian students who came to Pakistan, you are the only group who came to Lahore. And let me tell you honestly, it was not easy. We had to struggle to bring you here, but it was worth every effort. In fact, we are thankful to you, to your families for trusting us and for allowing us to be the part of your journey. I still remember the day you arrived. I had never seen a group of students so focused, so determined, and brilliantly shining. Over the past 6 months, while we were teaching you clinical skills, you taught us much more. You taught us what true resilience looks like. You showed us the meaning of courage. You reminded us the power of hope and the faith in Allah. One thing I deeply admire in all of you is your assertiveness. You know what you want, you know what you deserve, and you are unafraid to stand up for it. Never ever lose that. Never undervalue yourself. The world needs more people like you, strong, fearless, and determined. Please always remember, you have a home here. You have a family here who loves you, believes in you, and will always support you in whatever possible capacity we can. Thank you and welcome forever to University of Lahore.